Hi, in this session we have to see a select statement with the addition single. Okay, so first of all, thank you for my new subscribers who watch my video, subscribe my channel. And yeah, select statement I'm creating. I'm using the Translation Pro SC38 Abap editor, and I'm create the object. Okay, once I'm create the object, I'm click create, and I give the title, and it's executable program. Then try to save it, local object. Okay. So a select statement with the addition single can be reading a single row. So which means is generally somewhat faster than when using addition up to one row. So I'm using KNA1. So KNA1 table is a SAP is the master table for customer where his details are stored. Okay. So a select single statement is specify single row. Okay. So this is the example program I'm creating for select single row. I'm selecting the field KUNNR, customer number, land, and name and address. Otherwise, okay, name on is nth. Now I am write the data statement for KNA1. Type standard table of table KNA1. So I'm creating like a same work area, internal table and the work area I'm creating. Here I mentioned the parameter KUNNR, customer number. Here I am write the select statement. Here I am using select a single. Okay, a single select statement specifies a single row result table and assigns the values of this result table to parameters. Okay, so here I am using select single start from KNA1 into work area KNA1. I am using where condition KUNNR. If size of bar is equal to 0, try to save it. Here I am write the write statement for some fields. KUNNR, land and name. The same fields I am using the write statement. Okay, the program was completed. Now try to save it, check, and activate the program. Small error. No errors. Now activate the table. Activate the program and execute. Give the customer number. Execute. Yes, I get a output for the customer